Foton truck cab frame assembly is fabricated through integrated welding of thickened at high strength steel plates. The monolithic welded structure brings exceptional structural rigidity and long-term structural stability, significantly elevating crashworthiness and impact resistance, which creates a reliable safety barrier to safeguard drivers and passengers in potential collision incidents. All production links comply with stringent precision manufacturing specifications with rigorous dimensional tolerance control. Each mounting hole and connecting position undergoes precise calibration, allowing the cab frame to achieve seamless fit. With matched Foton chassis, customers can implement direct assembly without cutting, drilling, welding, or any other secondary modifications. This greatly simplifies installation workflows, cuts down labor costs, minimizes vehicle maintenance downtime, and consistently maintains original vehicle operating performance after replacement.